Gold about to make its next big move? The precious metal is at a critical crossroads, and traders are watching intently. Let's break down the technicals and see what the charts are telling us about XAUUSD. Looking across the market, the general feeling is one of cautious optimism. The dominant trend appears to be bullish, with gold showing strong signs of upward momentum after breaking through previous resistance levels. We're seeing a classic structure of higher highs and higher lows, which typically points to continued strength. However, it's not a straight shot up. The price is currently testing a significant zone. Many analysts are highlighting the area around 33.65 to 33.85 as a key short-term resistance. A rejection here could lead to a temporary pullback. This potential dip is what many are waiting for. The prevailing strategy appears to be buying on a pullback. A key zone of interest for potential buy entries is the support area between 33.30 and 33.40. If gold's price dips to this level and finds solid footing, it could be the launch pad for the next leg higher. Another potential support level to watch is slightly higher, around 33.48. So where could it be headed? If the bullish momentum continues, the first major upside target that everyone has their eyes on is the psychological level of 3400, with some charts pointing towards 3410. A decisive break above this area could signal even stronger conviction from buyers. On the flip side, if the price fails to hold those support levels on a pullback, we could see a deeper correction. A break below the 33.30 zone could see sellers take control and push the price down towards the next major support area around 32.85. To sum it all up, the market outlook for gold is largely bullish, but traders are expecting a slight pullback before the next major move. The key strategy seems to be looking for buying opportunities in the support zone between 33.30 and 34.40. The primary upside target is 3400. As always, markets can be volatile. Keep a close eye on these key levels as we head into the new week. Trade smart and stay informed.